The 2025 RAM 1500 RHO is finally here, and it's making a bold entrance into the world of high-performance off-road trucks. If you thought the TRX was impressive, this new RHO takes things in a slightly different direction. More refined, yet still brutal when it needs to be. Let's dive into everything this beast has to offer. First up, under the hood. RAM decided to retire the supercharged Hellcat V8, but don't be disappointed. The RHO now gets the brand new Hurricane twin-turbo, 3.0-liter inline-six engine. It's a high-output version, cranking out a massive 540 horsepower and 521 lb-ft of torque. While it may not scream like the old V8, this Hurricane engine delivers a smoother, more efficient punch, with quicker acceleration and better fuel economy. RAM claims it's faster than the outgoing TRX, and after a quick launch, it definitely pins you back in your seat. Now let's talk about how it drives. The 2025 RHO comes with a reinforced frame, Bilstein Blackhawk E2 adaptive performance shocks, and 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler all-terrain tires, all tuned for aggressive off-roading. You get 11.8 inches of ground clearance, and the suspension travel is just nuts. Whether you're flying over desert whoops or crawling over boulders, this truck eats up punishment like it's nothing. And on pavement, surprisingly smooth and controlled, it doesn't bounce you around like a typical off-roader. The exterior still brings that aggressive RAM look, but with a few tweaks to signal it's the RHO. You'll notice the bold grille, wider fenders, and a functional hood scoop that feeds air into the turbo engine. It looks muscular, without trying too hard, like a fighter jet in truck form. Around back, you've got LED lighting, a big RHO badge, and dual exhaust tips that emit a deep, throaty growl when you push the throttle. Step inside, and it's clear RAM hasn't cut corners. The cabin is luxurious, spacious, and tech-heavy. You get a massive 14.5-inch touchscreen running Uconnect 5, along with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and even a passenger display. The materials feel premium, with leather, suede, and metal accents all around. There's wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 19-speaker Harman Kardon audio system, and enough USB ports to power a small office. You also get RAM's signature, multifunction tailgate, and optional RAM box storage in the bed. Super practical for work or play. Performance-wise, the RHO isn't just about speed, it's about control. It features selectable drive modes like Baja, Rock, Snow, and more. There's also launch control and a full-time active 4x4 system, so whether you're racing across dunes or pulling a trailer through mountain passes, the truck adapts instantly. It can tow up to 8,380 pounds and has a payload rating of over 1,400 pounds. Not just a toy, it's a serious workhorse, too. Safety and tech? RAM loaded it up. You've got adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, a surround view camera system, and even night vision. It's a truck built for all situations, whether you're heading to a job site or going on a cross-country overlanding adventure. Price-wise, the 2025 RAM 1500 RHO isn't cheap, starting around $70,000. But considering what you get, the power, the tech, the luxury, and the off-road capabilities, it's arguably one of the most complete high-performance trucks on the market right now. And compared to the old TRX, it's lighter, quicker, and more fuel-efficient, which makes it a smarter long-term play for many buyers. To wrap it up, the 2025 RAM 1500 RHO represents the next evolution in the performance truck world. It may not have the raw, supercharged roar of the TRX, but it replaces that with a more refined and intelligent kind of brutality. It's still wild, still fast, and still ridiculously capable, just with a smarter head on its shoulders. If you're looking for a truck that can tear up trails, dominate the streets, and still keep you comfortable and connected, the RHO might just be your ultimate ride. Let us know what you think of the new RAM 1500 RHO in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews just like this.